So today the question is inherited a messy Google Ads account. I'm at loss. Okay. So I don't know what to do. I inherited a Google Ads account for a direct-to-consumer brand, and it's messy. It has around 6,000 keywords. Only 350 had conversions in the last 30 days. I really need this job, but I have no idea what to do. The structure was originally copied from another existing market, so it is very detailed with 70 keywords per ad group. Which step would you suggest? Either to give more context, and the context is that this is the first time I'm being thrown at a basic one. I'm used to having uh, exact and phrase in the same ad group. With broad, I don't have so much experience, but now it seems that the best practice in 2025 is combining broad plus exact plus smart bidding. Moreover, I don't have experience with pulling all 20 non-branded campaigns into one single bid strategy. This was a topic for my previous post. So now I have two major questions or concerns. Do I keep the portfolio bid strategy? What do I do about such a granular structure with so many keywords? What happened is they copied, pasted structure from another very mature account in a different country where the company existed for many years. This was probably not the best approach for a complete new market in the first place. Now they finally, after 1 year, hired a performance marketing manager, me. But from the interview process, it was not clear what I will deal with. I'm used to working with tidy accounts which are already up and running. This one delivers acceptable results thanks to 20 to 30% of keywords in each campaign, which get the majority of traffic. So they want to optimize it, but I'm not sure how. So I'm glad you got a performance marketing manager job, but looks like you also need a little bit training. It's okay, it's fine. We all keep on learning and improving. So I think that before I answer your questions, there are few things which in your strategy is, first of all, the 70 keywords per ad group is actually too much. So I do not recommend uh, adding more than 3 to 5 keywords per ad group. Okay, this is how you can structure the intent. Try to understand there is an intent with someone who is opening your website, or after clicking the ad they have certain thing in their mind, and the 70 keywords can't have it same. So I do not recommend having 70 keywords per ad group. So this is huge. And also you said that the 20 to 30% keywords are your working bringing traffic keyword. So what about your 70% keyword? So remove that 70 working keywords. So remove your 70% non-performing keywords, and even this 2030 organized as the above STAG single theme ad group. Ideally I recommend one keyword per ad group, but it's maybe very difficult for you for now. So this is a very good strategy. Remove non-performing keywords, organize your keyword structure as per the account. Also to the conversion tracking, which I hope you are doing it. Don't say me that you are not doing it, but I hope you are doing it. So with the conversion tracking, even from the 20 to 30%, gather those which are running well. And regarding your bidding strategy, go with maximize conversions if you are running conversion tracking with tCPA. Okay, this may bring some good results. And optimize your add a lot of ad assets, optimize your landing page, look for your competitor details to see, and also focus on creating location based campaigns, so you can have more data regarding different locations, which locations are performing well. Run ads, schedules, timings, extensions to see when you are getting the most traffic. Spend more money on that. So I hope this answers your question regarding your messy Google Ads account. So don't worry. I hope if you follow these strategies, you will be able to quickly recover from your Google Ads loss. And if you or anyone needs a professional Google Ads management service, we are a professional Google Ads partner company. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Once again, thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.